National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Knox County until 10:15 p.m. At 9:06 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located near Fredericktown and moving east at 15 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Gambier, Danville. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows.